Hello, welcome to Unisport Learning Made Easy YouTube channel. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about neural transmission, action potential and synaptic transmission of the action potential between two neurons. So just to the recap, first of all, I would like to discuss about the basic structure of the neuron. Then we will discuss about the different terminologies involved in the action potential, and then we will see what mechanisms are involved in the generation and transmission of the electrical current. Then we will discuss that what mechanisms are involved in on the cellular level that initiates and transmits a generated electrical current that transmits the electrical message from one neuron to another neuron. So in today's topic we are going to talk about action potential. So the main terminologies involved in the action potential is we should know what is the resting membrane potential, what is the threshold membrane potential, what is depolarization of the neuron, what is repolarization, what is hyperpolarization. Right, so these are the main terminologies which are involved with the action potential. Then we will see the mechanisms at the cellular level which are responsible for the generation and transmission of the action potential. So that would include a sodium and potassium pump, that is a specific protein that has an ability to transmit. It is a specific protein that can transfer and diffuse sodium and potassium ions across the neuron cell membrane. Then we will see the voltage gated ion channels, and there are three types. Some are the voltage gated sodium ion channels, some are voltage gated potassium ion channels, and some are sodium gated calcium ion channels that are responsible for the movement of the ions across the neuron. Then the next we will discuss what are the ligand gated ion channels, and they could be the ligand gated sodium ion channels and the ligand gated potassium ion channels. And then we will be discussing another important term and phenomena of the generation of the action potential, or the initiation of the action potential in the cell body of a neuron, and that happens in the form of a graded potential. Alright, so we will see the mechanism of the graded potential, and finally we will discuss the synaptic transmission of an action potential, where the action potential from one neuron is transmitted to the preceding neuron. Right, so let's start.